Pastoral Fellowship Council of the City. Tata kayo amin apo nga dato'y tata arabi. Good evening to each and everyone.
Good evening.
Thank you, Lord. Nagkakadwa tayong manan. Mabisin kayo na po. Ta kami medyo, gapo kami pa'y kampanya. Anyway, I'm very thankful for this opportunity. I'm humbled to be here, to be again with all of you. It's good to see all of you again. I think the last time that I've seen most of you was 2-3 months ago, even before campaign. Hindi pa po ganito ang kulay namin noon. At dahil araw-araw po na nagkakampanya kami at naaarawan, ngayon ay medyo na po kami, nadagdagan na po ng kulay din. Pero sabi naman nila, black is still beautiful. Kaya happy pa rin kami. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Thank you, Pastor John and Pastor Junel, for inviting us. Napakaganda